Good morning and welcome Shirsa students. Today we are going to continue lesson number 3, Introduction to HTML. So part 4 of lesson 3 we will continue today. So see on page number 47 of your computer textbook. Today we are going to learn about how to type in paragraph. So few codes are there regarding, we will go through it. Paragraph tag, that is less than, greater than sign and P between that. The paragraph tag mark the text as a paragraph. See once again, the paragraph tag marks the text as paragraph. When you give this type of tag, it means you are writing text in a paragraph form. The text written between P, that is less than, greater than sign P and less than sign slash P greater than sign tag is formatted as paragraph. See here you started paragraph, and when you give slash and then P means you over your paragraph. So the paragraph tag here you start, okay, this way, and then text, and this way last slash P you over your paragraph. So for example, one it is given, you started giving this way P in the tag, the tiger is, this is a full paragraph, and then you give that your paragraph is over. So this way P slash P in the tag. So now one another example is there, you are giving a heading, the Bengal tiger, and that also in center alignment, okay, and two paragraphs are there about Bengal tiger. So how we are going to write? So code is here, for example HTML code. First of all, what you are doing document, but document in which program? HTML, okay. So document type HTML, so this is the compulsory, okay, exclamatory mark doc type HTML, and here you are starting HTML head, okay, heading you are giving, and then title of the web page creation, you started web page regarding on which you are making document, okay. So the Bengal tiger over your title, then heading regarding that, body, okay, what you are giving description about the Bengal tiger, and where you want to give the heading, so and how much alignment you want, that in left side or center. So H1 heading, first heading, okay, this is the first heading. So H1 main and alignment in center, this way you are giving the Bengal tiger heading over. So this is the one example. Heading, now we are writing document in a paragraph, and that also two paragraph. So this is the first paragraph, okay, what description you want to write, first paragraph over, then the second paragraph, then paragraph and whatever text you want to enter, that is over. So here you are giving slash body, okay, means your middle part of the document is over, and here HTML slash HTML means overall your document is now over, okay. So when you do this all things in tag, this way your screen will appear on the monitor, okay. In the center alignment, the Bengal tiger as a heading, okay, two paragraph, this is the main thing, and web page creation. So this all things you need, and more things I want to add in my document, okay. So more we will learn regarding this. Now alignment, what type of alignment you can give, okay, and in paragraph also where you want to start writing your paragraph. So here we will do applying paragraph attributes, okay. So here it is given, using align attribute in paragraph. How you can do? Tag for paragraph, first alignment for paragraph, left side you want to write, center portion or in the right side, okay. It is upon you that what type of you are giving paragraph, that from the left, right or center. So attribute you have to design by giving P alignment, okay, that is paragraph alignment. Now we will learn that how can I break my work, okay. For example 2 and after 3 line I want to break my work in the document, and I want to start in another 2 line after 2 lines. So here it is given, that is BR tag. BR tag means BR is a form of short form of a break. The BR tag is used to insert a line break, okay, means to break line. The text following the BR tag appears in the next line. Means you are breaking one line, already completed one line, and now you want to go on the second line. Okay, on the next line. Then BR tag is container tag. The use of BR tag is shown in the following code. Now after the paragraph heading, and I want to write in the next line, so regarding that one example is there. Same process. Document type HTML started, your work started of document regarding that head. Okay, and while you are writing this document, you are creating web page, heading over. Okay, and then the body, what you are writing in the center portion. Okay, for example, here is the center part, that is heading first in alignment is center, and what you are writing document to, in this example it is given the royal cats. Okay, regarding the royal cats you are writing. Okay, first heading over. Then leopard, about leopard you are writing that royal cats, leopard. And after writing about leopards, next line about lion, next line about cheetah, next line about panther, and next line about tiger, and your body portion over, that is slash body in the tag. Now my HTML document is also over, so slash HTML. So this is one example also. Okay, after giving BR and heading, okay, and next. So this is one example regarding that. Now it will look like this in your screen. Royal cats heading, and BR means next. This way it will come: leopard, lion, cheetah, panther, and tiger. So this way you can create your document. Now next, B tag. B means it is a short form of bold text. What type of text you want to write? Bold, italic. Okay, so that one. The B tag turns the text bold. The text written between B and /B tags appear bold when it is used in browser. The B tag is used in following format. How to write B? Okay, text over B means started and then over. I don't want to write everything in the bold. So the use of B tag is shown in the following code. So regarding this also tag, we will learn one example on the next page. The next page, all the tag we are going to do. Document type as usual. First HTML, heading, web page creation, title is the web page creation. Okay, and then heading over. Okay, whatever heading you want to give, and next body part you are starting. So in that heading, first heading you are starting this way. In the center the royal cats. Okay, heading over, and that also in bold you are giving. Okay, first we did next. Now we are giving bold in bold. So bold, leopard, over, then again lion, cheetah, panther, tiger, body part over, and my document also over, that is /HTML. So it will look like this. Okay, same thing we did in the last example, royal cats in the center. Okay, and everything in bold. See, this is the bold. One more example, you can see how to write in italic also you can say. Okay, so you can say a lot of changes between this screen. Okay, see the font and see this font, lot of changes are because this one is bold one. Now we will go through next one, that is the italic. I stands for italic. Okay, now we are writing in italic, same process. Okay, but code we will see. I text, and now this one is closing italic tag. Okay, so regarding that one example is the same thing. Document type we are doing HTML started, head, main verb. Head is you are giving as web page creation, your title is there, and heading over. Now the body part started, alignment in the center as we did in all the example. The royal cats, heading over, that is the first heading. H1 means first heading. And now in bold, leopard, over, and now lion I want to type in italic. Okay, and break for cheetah, BR means break. Okay, again BR, panther, BR, tiger, body part over, HTML. See, in this we did 2-3 things, that is the italic text bold text, okay, both we did. And break means in the next line. So here you can see one example on your screen, okay, center part, heading, and this is the bold. Break means in the next line, lion, and these all are in italic text. So this today we are going to learn, and next we will learn in the next class. Thank you students, have a nice day.